What's up everybody, CPA, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to create wireframe for OTT platform like Netflix and Amazon Prime. So let's create a new team and let's name it. Create a team, skip for now, choose starter. Okay, our team is created. You can see the color of team is yellow and let's create design file. Okay, let's rename it. So I already show you for wireframe we have to create some components. So let's create components, or you can just copy paste components from your previous projects, that is Lato Fato app. So you can copy these components like this image, this login and sign up buttons, the brand name button, the hamburger menu and all that. So for this wireframe I'm gonna require this image, so I'm gonna select this. So right click on it and you can see here, so we have option of copy. So you can also use shortcut like Ctrl C. So I'm gonna copy this one and let's go to wireframe MCU. Okay, now press Ctrl V to paste that image on our this wireframe. So we are making OTT platforms, so we are going to choose desktop, create another one and let's rename it. You can name it whatever you want. And third one is going to be TV show. Okay, let's add a brand name and let's add some text and let's increase the text size. Let's group it, Ctrl G to group them. So in the movie frame we need this image over here and let's make it bigger. So in this part we are going to display the movie image. And let's create some buttons like sign up, and let's decrease the text up to let's say 24, and let's adjust it over here, sign up, and let's create some text for movie button, and the last one is for TV shows. So currently we are in movie section, so we are gonna make this movie's text into bold, so user is gonna know, or our UI developer will know he is in currently this movie section. And if you want, you can add underline to this text. So let's add a movie name. So first of all we are gonna require rectangle, so press R, so select text and let's add text over here. Movie name, let's make it big, let's say up to 48, and let's adjust it over here. And after that we have to create a description for our movie. So let's create a rectangle again, and here is going to be our description for our movie. So let's add text over here. Okay, and after this we are going to create a play button, and in front of this we are going to add trailer button. I think I made this movie description a little bit bigger, so I'm going to adjust it. Let's move this upward, both things like movie play now and trailer button. let's rename this frame into TV show, and all the things is gonna be same like this movie name and all that, but we can like rename it into like TV show. So let's copy this one and let's rename it TV show, and here also TV show description. So this is the wireframe, so we are going to reference from it, and we are going to create our final project. So our final project is going to be look like this. You can see the brand name page, movie section and TV section. So name of that movie, description for it, the play now button, the trailer button, and I also added this ratings over here. So you can see this movie section. So from here user is gonna be choose what to watch. Same for the TV show section and all that. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.